Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be making a seafood Alfredo pizza. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 375. Saute your shrimp and your chopped lobster tails in the olive oil. And saute only a little bit because you're going to put it in the oven. Season meat with garlic powder, onion powder, ginger powder, crushed pepper, Old Bay, thyme, and oregano. Season to taste. Add your king crab. You're just going to saute just a little bit because it's already cooked. Have our flatbread from Panera bread. Add your Alfredo sauce. Add the rest of the toppings.